When performance meets pressure, preparation can save lives. And that's why simulation training is a game changer in sports and exercise education. From cardiac events to orthopedic trauma, students learn to assess, respond, and coordinate care during sporting emergencies. Simulated medical crises in gym and field settings build confidence, teamwork, and critical decision-making skills. Guided by expert faculty, learners refine their judgment through immersive, evidence-based teaching.